If this indicator doesn't blow your mind, then I don't know what will. I used this very indicator to trade the futures market today, and it's one of the main reasons why I was able to make $2,900 in profit. This really is one of the best indicators out there. I'm gonna show you exactly why in just a second. So make sure you watch until the end of this video, because as a bonus, I won't just show you the indicator that I'm using, but I'll show you a step-by-step how to use it. And if you don't day trade futures, no problem. You can use this very own indicator to trade stocks, crypto, or even options. This indicator isn't logged into futures. I trade futures for 3 reasons. Number 1, the margins are fantastic. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars to make a trade. You can literally start with $500 into your account. Number 2, the volume is terrific. As a matter of fact, there are $250 billion more dollars trading in the futures market compared to stocks every day. Number 3, the taxes are more traders friendly. Traders who trade the futures market are treated under the 60-40 rule, which means their tax liability is significantly lower than if they were to trade other financial instruments such as stocks. Before we begin, what is an indicator? A technical indicator is a mathematical calculations based on the financial instrument's price and volume that helps identify potential trading opportunities. Technical indicators are displayed on the charts, and I'm going to show you exactly what it means on the chart in just a second. And it's provide the information about momentum, trend, volatilities, and possible reversal signal that's going on. But in simpler terms, an indicator is like a tool that helps people like me figure out whether they should buy or sell. It uses math to look at how the financial instruments price and trading volume change over time, and it helps me decide what to do. Now that said, indicators have their own drawbacks as well. They lack in actions, and they have to wait for the action to be plotted correctly on the charts. Moving averages, MACD, CCI, awesome oscillators are examples of indicators that wait for the previous actions on the charts to be calculated. But not to worry, there's one indicator that's considered volume, and it's the indicator I'm so excited to share with you today. It's called VWAP, or the volume weighted average price. It's one of my most favorite leading indicators for day trading. It's always instant and it's on time. Does not lag behind as much as CCI, awesome oscillator, MACD, RSI, or other moving averages that is going on. That's why I love everything about this. It's widely used by institutional traders, and it's free on most trading platforms. Now let's go to the charts and discuss how VWAP is calculated. It starts when the market opens and it ends when it closes for the day. Literally, if you have Thinkorswim, I'm a Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade users, you can pop VWAP on your chart as easy as just go to the beaker icon here and type in the name VWAP, VWAP. And do me a favor, before you finalize this process, you go to the upper band and lower band and you just unselect the plot, bubbles, and title. I don't care what the upper band, I don't care what the lower band is. I just want to focus on the value of VWAP as this moment goes by throughout the day. Now, let's consider the technique for a second. VWAP starts when the market opens and ends when the market is closed for the day. VWAP equals the dollar value for all trading periods divided by the total trading volume for the current day. Now, that is the math equation. This is why I refer to VWAP as the king of indicators used for intraday trading. Once again, it is only suitable for the present day trading only. This is how I use VWAP for my intraday trading. I'm using VWAP for the following. Number 1, trend determinations. Inside of a shorter time frame, such as the 1-minute charts that I have here, the trend is bullish when the price moves above VWAP. Vice versa. The trend is then bearish when the price is moving below VWAP. So consider, if you don't know how to read Dow theory, price actions, the higher highs and the higher lows, or the lower highs and the lower lows. Looking at these charts, and consider VWAP is the purple line here traveling across the charts horizontally here. Looking at, as long as price is moving above this purple line, the trend is then bullish. Vice versa. Especially when price is below the buy zone and moving below this VWAP value, the trend is then bearish. It's bearish here, it's bearish here, and it's definitely bearish there. So no matter what time frame you're trading in, and this is the second concept, VWAP is the same for every single time frame. For example, when you're trading inside of this 1 minute charts or 5 minute charts, that exponential moving average may look differently compared to the different time frame that you have. However, for VWAP, the value of volume weighted average price is the same for the 1 minute charts, the 5 minute charts, the 15 minute charts, and even on a daily chart. Number 3, trading efficiency measurements. After buying and selling a security, institutions or individuals can compare the prices to the VWAP value. A buy order executed below the VWAP value would be considered a good fill because the security was bought at a below average price. Conversely, a sell order executed above VWAP would be deemed a good fill because it was sold at an above average price. Giving a set of data, it's like math, right? You're analyzing this set of data and it's zillions or millions worth of value that's being computed on every second of the day. What is the most meaningful data of all? It's the average. It's the mean. It's the median. It's how far price is traveling right now with respect to the average price. And this is by far my most favorite concept of trading VWAP. I'm using VWAP as a support and as a resistance level. Now, VWAP is excellent for identifying support and resistance. Look at the charts inside the SP 500 futures. For example, I use this VWAP data for, look at this, that is resistant, right? This is support, and this is resistant, right? And this is resistance again. Every single market. Let's change it to NQ, for example. This is the mini Nasdaq 100 index future. In the 1 minute chart, as you can see, look at this beautiful resistance, right? Look at this beautiful resistance as well here, and this beautiful resistance well there. And what about the support right here? I'm using VWAP for support and resistance, and I use this exact concept to make $2,900 in 20 minutes of work today. So in conclusion, I show you one of my most favorite indicators and how it works. If you learned something new today or have additional questions about this, leave me a comment, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more trading tutorial just like this. Before you go, let me point you in the right directions. Your next step is to watch this video here, my most favorite trading pattern right now. And based on today's market conditions, it's a crucial pattern to know if you want to be a successful trader in 2023. I'll see you in the next one.